Welcome to my Social Media Marketing Mastery course. Throughout this course, I'll be taking you from A to Z on all the social media platforms. So whether if you're a newbie or advanced, this is the course for you. So why learn from me? I began my path into marketing as an engineering major. So once I began to learn coding in my college courses, I started to build niche keyword websites, and then I used growth hack marketing techniques I taught myself to build up these websites and then flip them for a profit. So now it's over a decade later, and I've built, I've consulted, and I've helped develop the marketing strategy for over 500 businesses. After finishing in the top 8 in 2014 for Entrepreneur of the Year in Entrepreneur Magazine, I launched Course Envy with several engineering and marketing partners to begin to build courses and share our knowledge with the world. So who's this course for? The people I've worked with over the past 10 years include small business owners, local brick and mortar businesses, social celebrities and brands, bigger corporate contracts. Really, anyone looking to benefit from social media advertising is fit for this course. By the end of this course, you will understand all of the social media platforms and especially be a master of optimizing your paid social media advertising campaigns, whether it be on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Unlike many courses, we really focus on getting the biggest bang for your buck with paid social media campaigns. So our course covers optimizing your Facebook page and your Facebook ads, how to optimize your Instagram account, and create sponsored ads within Instagram. We also cover optimizing your Twitter account, and we'll teach you how to use the highly targeted Twitter advertising platform. Next, we'll teach you how to build a robust Pinterest page, flesh out all your Pinterest boards, and teach you about the various Pinterest paid advertising methods. Next, we'll cover YouTube and how important it is to have the social media channel and be creating video content. And with that, we'll teach you how to create video ads via Google AdWords. The next network we cover is LinkedIn. We'll cover the basics of building out not only your LinkedIn profile, but your company page on LinkedIn as well, and then how you can create LinkedIn ads. We also touch on Google and how to use it for marketing and its importance for backlinks and local businesses. Finally, we'll cover blogging, the search engine optimization linked with that, backlinks, how to use if this then that to mass post to all these social media platforms via a blog like Tumblr, and much more. So sign up now if you're ready to master social media marketing once and for all.